Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the benchmark test comparison between the OnePlus Nord CE2 versus the Xiaomi 11i and 11i Hypercharge device. So Dimensity 920 chipset which is present in the Xiaomi 11i and Hypercharge, and OnePlus Nord CE2 has got the Dimensity 900 chipset. Let's see friends, Dimensity 920 versus Dimensity 900. So which processor will be having better scores regarding the CPU and the GPU scores. So both phones are kind of completely new phones. So I did not install any kind of major applications between these two devices, and all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. And let's open the benchmark test and start the test. And this complete test is done using the high performance mode between these both phones. Both phones I did enable the high performance mode, and very close regarding the temperatures. So 31 and 32, nothing much huge difference regarding these both phones, and my room temperature is also 28 degrees Celsius. Let's see friends how much difference we're gonna expect between the Dimensity 900 and Dimensity 920 chipset. So that's what really interesting to check in this video. And I'll definitely do in-depth comparison friends between these both phones side by side. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. And I'm gonna be back after some time just to check the temperatures, what's happening between these both phones. So right now as you can see friends is a quick look at the benchmarks. You can clearly see 78% regarding the benchmark test. And right now let's check on the temperatures. 34 degrees Celsius in the OnePlus Nord CE2 and 35.2 degrees, slightly high temperatures as you can see friends. My room temperature is 28.6, same room temperature, nothing much high, but 34 degrees can be found in the OnePlus Nord CE2 device. 34. And overall in the Xiaomi 11i and 11i Hypercharge, this is what the situation will be there. Slightly, just a little bit, 1 degree will be higher in the Dimensity 920 chipset in this Xiaomi 11i device. So let's wait for the full test video friends. Let's see how much difference we're gonna expect between these both smartphones overall. So that's going to be really interesting to compare. And this is my first time doing this kind of side-by-side comparison using this high performance mode between these two processors. And even I'm really interested to see what will be the CPU and the GPU individual comparisons between these two phones. And I'm gonna be back after some time. Right now as you can see friends, we're reaching to the final stage of benchmarks between these both phones. And right now I'll let you show you exactly the temperatures, what's happening here, 33.8 and 35.4 degrees regarding the temperatures between these both phones. So finally we got the score 4,78,000. It scored in this OnePlus Nord CE. You can clearly see friends what's happening here. So try to look at the CPU and the GPU scores. So 125, 125, 134 and 131. So slightly higher the CPU and the GPU scores, and even the memory scores are also very high. You can clearly see friends comparison between these both phones. Only UX is slightly higher in this device, and battery drain by 2% and 3% between these both phones. Temperature also increased very less. You can clearly see friends, temperature is increased less and battery is also drained less. And the scores also got improved, I mean more than the Dimensity 920 chipset. That's kind of quite shocking to see in this device. And don't worry about this name, I'm not sure why the name is like that, but this is the Indian variant only which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration. And clearly see when Xiaomi 11i device, so 11i Hypercharge device as well. So this is the Indian variant which I'm trying to use. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this. A quick look at the benchmark test results. Overall this is quite shocking to see, like Dimensity 900 performed more and better than the Dimensity 920 chipset. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and bye.